Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your display name on Roblox. So in order to do that, first of all, open up your Roblox application on your mobile device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, tap on Profile. Now, click the pencil button right in front of your display name at the top, and then erase your current display name, write down a new one, and click on Save. Soon after you do that, within a few seconds, your display name will be changed. Roblox lets you change your display name for free, but only once every 7 days. And that's it. Your Roblox display name is now updated, simple, free, and done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.